put my law in your inward parts and write them on your hearts. We saw that's in Rome. They had them written in their hearts in Rome. So we ain't got to wait till Christ come back. You know, and that's lazy for real. You trying to wait till Christ come back to do right? No, let's do right now. Because Christ, you know, he come back to pick up what he didn't have planned. You know, ain't no now we can do right where we wrong at. No. If you ain't, that's why we under a grace period. You know what I'm saying? The grace period is to get right where you're wrong at. If you're not understanding what grace is, if you do not, like if you don't have that money on the 1st to pay that light bill, they'll give you a grace period to maybe to the 15th. But on the 15th come, grace period is over. The lights are getting cut off. So in the same wise, when Christ come back, all that getting right ain't no more getting right. If either you're right or not, you gonna get on the left side or the right side, and that's it. So ain't no let's wait. No, we gotta get right now. Write them in our hearts now. Now at the end, once we get passed under that rod and make that agreement with the Lord, then that's a fulfillment of the new covenant. It's pretty much over with then.